Hello guys, today I will show you how to configure initial switch setting. In this tutorial video, I will show you how to perform basic switch configuration, and you will secure access to the command line interface and console port using encrypted and plain text password. You will also learn how to configure message for user login into the suite. These banners are also used to warn unauthorized users that access is prohibited. Verify the default switch configuration is the first step that I want to show you. You can access all switch commands from private mode because many of the private commands configure operating parameter. Private access should be password protected to prevent unauthorized use. The private access command set include those commands contained in user exec mode, as well as the configure command through which access to the remaining command mode again. The first thing, we enter into the private exec mode by using enable command. Note that the brown change in the configuration to reflect private mode. And then we examine the configuration, switch configuration. Enter show running config command to show running configuration file. As you see, in the switch configuration file, there is no any configure command or any configuration file has changed. The switch is still in default configuration file. So now I want to change the switch name, the host name of switch, into S1. To configure parameter on a switch, you may be required to move between various configuration modes. Notice how the brown change as you navigate through the switch. To set the host name for the switch, the first thing I need to do is enter into global configuration mode by using config terminal and insert config term. And to set host name for switch S1, I use host name and I set switch to S1. So you can see the host name changed from switch to S1. And one more thing I want to show you is secure access to the console line. To set secure access to the console line, access config line mode and set the console password to admin. You need to get into the access config line mode by type line console 0 and press enter. And then you type password command followed by the word. The word means password you want to set. I set to admin and I type command login. The login command is necessary command when we set any password into line because when we did not use login command, the password command is not work. And then I exit from the console line, and after the previous configuration, now I want to show you how to verify that console access is secure. Exit from the global configuration mode into private mode, and to verify the console port password is in effect, you type the show running config. So you will see hostname has been changed and console line has set the password to admin. And to see the console line is in effect, I exit from private mode. And now we reside on the console line. When I press enter, the console line requires the password to log into the switch. So let's type admin and then press enter. So now we pass from the console line into the user mode. Now I want to show you guys how to set secure private mode access by typing enable command. I set enable password to C1 $C0. This password protects access to private mode. To configure enable private mode, I use config terminal to enter to global configuration mode and type enable password, and I set C1 $C0 and exit from mode and verify that private mode access is secure. So I issue show running config. So now enable password is configured to be C1 $C0 as a password implemented. And next step, I will show you how to configure any encrypted password to secure access to private mode. About configuration is enable password. Enable password is secure for private access mode too, but the password is encrypted. But we can use the encrypted private access mode to encrypt the password, and anyone cannot understand the password. So I mean, the enable password should be replaced with the newer encrypted secret password using the enable secret command. Set enable secret password to IT secret. So now I set the enable password to encrypt to encrypt it by type config p enable secret, and I set to IT SAR secret. Note: the enable secret password override the enable password. If both are configured on the switch, you must enter the enable secret password to enter private access mode. Now verify that enable secret password is added to the configuration file. Enter show running configuration command again to verify the new enable secret password is configured. And you can also abbreviate show running config as show run. So now you can see the enable password and secret password. One more step is encrypt the enable and console password. As you notice, the enable secret password was encrypted. But the enable and the console password was still implanted. The enable password and the console is still in the planted password. So now we will encrypt these two planted or any other password planted by using service password encryption command. So to configure password encryption service, we need to go into global configuration mode by config terminal, and then we type service password encryption. This command statement will encrypt all any planted password and convert it into encrypted password. So now we verify the configuration. So run. So now enable password has encrypted to the encrypted password. Once again, I want to show you how to configure MOTD banner mode. The Cisco iOS command set include a feature that allow you to configure message that anyone log in into the switch see that message. This message are called message of the day or MOTD banner. Enclose the banner text in a quotation or use delimiter different from any character appearing in the MOTD string. So to configure it, we need to go into global configuration mode first, and then type banner MOTD and start with any sign. I use star sign, and then I say that also authorize access is allowed, and stop with the same sign. So now we want to see when the mode is in effect in our switch. So you need to use show run. Scroll down and you will see the banner mode is authorized access is allowed. The last configuration that I want you to know is save configuration file to NVRAM and verify that configuration is accurate using show run command. Now we save the configuration file. You have completed the basic configuration of the switch, and now we want to back up running configuration file to NVRAM to ensure that the change made are not lost if the system is reboot or lost power. So to save running configuration file, you need to issue the command line. Copy running configuration to start up configuration and then press enter. For my video today is completed. Thank you for watching.